Bili ako ng mga vegetables, guys, sa supermarket, guys. Have a nice day, everyone. Char! Buksan natin, guys. Wow! Grapes, guys. Grapes. Kasi wala na kaming grapes, guys. Na-harvest ng grapes namin. So, nagbili ako dito, guys, sa supermarket. Wow! Amazing grapes! So yummy! At saka, yung green beans, guys. Green beans. Tomatoes. Yeah. Masarap din ito, guys, sa salad. Tomatoes. Carrots. Pomegranate foods, guys. Kasi ubos na yung pomegranate namin doon sa ano, guys, sa garden. Bumili ako. Favorite ko yan, guys. Very healthy. At saka, garlic. Onion. Ito, onion. Apples. Healthy vegetables. Guys. Very cute apples. Of course, lemon. Lemon, guys. Lemon. Kasi yung lemon namin sa garden, guys, is ubos na, guys. Kompleto na yan, guys, sa salad. And I have lettuce, guys. So, magawa ako ng salad. Vegetable salad. Lettuce. Kompleto, guys. Kompleto. At saka, rice is life, guys. Rice. Madali na lang kasi maubos yung rice. So, guys, nabili ako ng rice. Meron din akong 7-Up. At saka, fruit cocktail juice, guys. Fruit cocktail juice. And this, halawe. Halawe, guys. Very sweet ito, guys. Na ano na halawe. Palaman sa mga bread, tinapay. Tapos, guys, ito, cucumber. Yan. Sa mall ko ito, guys, binili, guys. This is very yummy, guys. Okay. Love you all.